Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends and welcome to Mark ERP tutorial in which we will see the process to restore IMP backup. There is a need to recover backup only when our data gets corrupted. Then in that case we restore the backup to correct your data. Now let's see the process to restore IMP backup in the software. So as we open the software, and if this type of an alert message will be shown, database error, please run file maintenance to recover, want to run, and data name gets mentioned, that which data is corrupted to which you want to recover. So in this case we need to recover IMP backup, so we will do no to this alert message. Then press escape key on the list of companies window and do yes to quit window. Then a window of Mark backup will open. Click on backup tab from here. So the number of companies which will be in the list of companies will be shown here. Now you will press spacebar key on that company of which you want to restore the backup. Suppose D Pharma. Then a window of Mark will open where you can see the path of backup wherever is your IMP backup is saved. Like self backup path, which software says default. This backup is saved in the Mark folder under the data folder and then under the backup folder. Similarly, server copy backup is saved, stored in C drive. Then is carbon copy path. Means at the time of IMP backup, a window of Mark backup is open. So carbon copy path is shown to you here. So you can change the path as per your requirement by clicking on change tab from here. Then second backup of server is saved on this path. So as you will keep pressing enter, a window of backup recover from will open. Press enter key on that after selecting the file from which date you want to recover the backup. Means till which date your data was accurate. Then a window of attention please will open in which file name is chiller. And two options are shown to you in the drop down of files upload. All files and only this. Means if you select only this, then software will restore only that data which file name was shown to you in the alert message. Means your file which is corrupted. And if you select all files, then software will restore the data of all files with the same date or time. So now we want to recover the corrupted data. That's why we set only this in file reload and will press enter and will type sure to confirm. So in this way your backup will start restoring, and after finishing backup restore process, software will be auto closed. Now simply you will restart the software. So an alert message of database updated, restored, error checking required. Please run error checking will be shown. Click on yes to run the file maintenance. And error checking will run, and if a message of system required restart after error checking will be shown, then click on yes button. Then software will be closed. Now you can continue your working by reopening the software. So friends, in this way you can restore IMP backup. Thanks for watching.